Firstly, I will open my OneNote application from my Launchpad. Located on the left-hand side panel, click on New Notebook. Now we're going to give it a name. You can label yours anything you like. Organising your notebook into sections and adding additional pages. On the lower right-hand corner, click on Add Section. Double-click on the section to rename. Now to add additional pages, select a preferred notebook. Located at the bottom next to section, click on Add Page. To give your page a title, position and click your cursor above the date and time. Now you can start typing your title. Pretty easy, right? I will now show you how to change the colour of your notebook. Right-click for Preferences, select Section Colour. You can choose any colour you like. I'll go with yellow today. This is a perfect way to keep everything separate. Now you can see the start of organisation. It's time for me to show you how to create a table. If you have used Microsoft Word before, you may find this step easy. Located on the top of the page menu, second along, select Insert. Click on Table. I'm going to select 10 rows and 8 columns. This will be the dimensions used to create a university time management schedule. Currently, I'm using my cursor to resize the table. To adjust the table, just hover over the lines to resize. The table settings located on the menu bar are useful for quick modifications, therefore no need to restart if you have made a mistake. Looking at the menu bar at the top of the page, guiding you from the left to the right, as you can see, this is where you can increase more rows or columns. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to delete unwanted rows or columns. You can hover your cursor to the left as to how I am, or click on the unwanted areas. Lastly, the select settings are useful to use when you want to add colour to your table, using the same technique as before, followed by clicking on Shade and choosing your colour. I think I'll go with the blue today. And so on. Coming up next, I will show you some formatting skills that have been useful for me. Starting your cursor on the first row in the second square of the table, I will type the word course, and moving along each square from Monday to Sunday. I will now add the date underneath the course, continuing from the start of the week to the end of the week. Now continuing down the second column on the left side, I will list the subjects I'm enrolled in. So now to add some colour to the font, first of all highlight the script. Located on the home pull down bar, select the colour that appeals to you. Now I need to create space so I can add reminders. The easiest way to do this is place your cursor in each square and press enter on your keyboard. Located next to the font colour icon, I am selecting the highlight symbol. Now I am choosing the colour. Select a colour that will stand out to you. This next tool will be useful when you have an exam, an important date, or an appointment that you need to remember. The icon tag is situated on the same home pull-down bar at the end. First, I will relocate my cursor to the important day, followed by selecting the most appropriate icon, and now I can type my agenda. On OneNote, there are several generated tags. However, you can create your own by hovering your cursor over the top of the pull-down arrow. Select Create New Tag. Choose and name the icon. And then enter back to the list of tags and you should see it appear on your pull-down menu. Lastly, for formatting tools, moving over to the lecture section, I will show you how to change the page layout to line paper, which is convenient for taking notes. To do so, on the menu bar fourth along, click on to view, select paper style, fourth from the end. Or you can add a background color next to the page style. Click on page color. The drawing feature I'm about to show you is useful to use when you need to draw an equation or a formula in your tutorial lectures. Located on the menu bar, click on Draw. This will display a few options. Firstly, choose what you would like to draw with. I've chosen the marker because it will be the most appropriate for today's demonstration. Select the ink color and the marker size. If you make a mistake, select the eraser and apply accordingly. Now that is all for formatting. I hope you can utilize some of these skills in your learning as to how I have. Moving on to the last learning objective, learning how to embed media and link a source to a connecting notebook. To insert an image, click Insert on the menu bar. From the preferences listed fourth along, select Picture. Click the source you would like to embed. In lectures, the delivery is fast and it's difficult to keep up and record your notes in a well-ordered manner. I have a solution. In OneNote, insert the upcoming lecture slides as to how I am. Located next to Picture, click on Printout. This will give you an organised layout so you can compose notes as the lecturer delivers information. How simple is that? Now you can start entering your notes next to each slide. Linking a source to another notebook or page is convenient for locating any related resources. I'll show you how. It's as easy as highlighting the source. It can be an image, an audio, or a video, anything. Right-click for preferences and select Copy Link to Paragraph. Locate to the linking page, right-click and paste. When you click the hyperlink, it will revert you to the shared page. Now that concludes the learning of OneNote. Practice makes perfect. To challenge yourself, you may complete these learning goals. Create a planner, format the planner, and link a source. See how you go. For additional support, you can find videos on LinkedIn Learning, YouTube, and Microsoft Office. For your reference, please visit the video links below I have recommended. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Thank you.